banking startup ecosystem. Startup ecosystem will cover on this my PPT. I will uh, I will share my PPT with you. These are just information I give you on what is startup ecosystem, and today they released startup ecosystem, um, and the mechanism we will discuss here. What are the things we will cover on startup ecosystem, and what is startup, that also you might have heard it from our other resources. Now we will blend it with the startup ecosystem with the IP. That's my view. Whether you are able to see the screen. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. It's visible.
So startup ecosystem and IPR as my topic, and startup. Um, my my the content is what is startup and how it is related to ecosystem. What are the ecosystem associated with startup and entrepreneurship in an ecosystem. I and some data on how the startup ecosystem is working, and what is the situation in India, and what are the situations in all over the world, and IPR and startup system linkage. This is my view on start on my topic, and I will cover it substantially with some data and all. Before we begin, what is a startup? As far as I understood, it's the stage of testing something which is feasible for the market, and which can be extended to an international level, like Uber. Everyone knows Byju's app. Byju's app is which was a startup, and in Cochin University also in 2014, some students built up a startup like question paper. Question paper. That is what their startup's name, and they collected all question papers of degree, BCom, BA, BSc question papers, and they stored in a website. And the system is like this: if the student, if someone is ready to answer that question, and they will have another round of evaluating that answer. If your answer is up to the level, they will give you 10 rupees. And if you are a BSc or BCom, you can access that website by paying 100 rupees per month for that website. So they have a good collection of question papers, a large number of question papers available on that website, and the simple technique of an e-commerce website of gaining. It's also a crowdsourcing method. Like, they don't know who is going to answer this question. If they are answering it well, for one question they will answer, they will give 10 rupees if it is a right one. And student packages in the startup, in the starting stage, they have pro package, they have a exam night package is a package which will help the student for 2-3 days, which means if the exam is on next Monday, these 3 days it will be available for the student. So answers will be not in a written form, will be there in a written form, in a text form, also in audio form. If he can use an ear cord, he can hear that also. So it's both ways support. If the contributor of that question, he has to type the answer as well as he has to read the answer, then he will get 15 rupees for that. So it's a simple idea of startup, and they incubated in there is a startup community in Infopark, and they incubated over there. They try to develop that, and some Bangalore-based company, they acquired that startup, and still in creating some abbreviation so that still it exists as a startup. But there is a problem over there. There's a problem that mileage of the startup have some limitation. Only exam BA, BSc, BCom students will be access to it. And there is also a threat to the startup, like all answers are available in Google. They are just making all answers in one platform. So that is also a threat to them. But they created it as a package of base price of 100 rupees and a premium price of 1000 rupees. And exam night, that's an option. That's option will start around 300 or 400 rupees. That is only for 3 days. 3 days full access to that website, and also they have created a technology protection measures like protecting that website through some code. And if you are opening one answer more than 3 times, you have to pay additional. So these are the way they control that website, and access also controlled through some codes and all. So startup is creating value. If it is an existing system, existing knowledge, creating value to that, and explore yourself. What are the difficulties you are facing? Like a doctor, like without waiting in queue, you will get a service from doctor. You can access to that particular doctor through some code. So if you have installed this app, you can access. For that, you have to purchase that app, and service charge is also there. So giving an exploration to all the possibilities, all the existing options you have, and make a start. Say, creating some idea, better control on your life. Like it's all about how creative you are and creating value on particular things. And why startups fail? 21% fail due to team personal withdrawals, which means some breakage in between team. This question paper startup was initiated by a group of MBA students from Cochin University. They created this startup, and still in between they got some bank jobs. Then also they are in continuing with the same team, and 18% failed due to funds and money. That's another threat. Now we have a separate dedicated government support. Like I will show you that website also, where you can avail money, and incubator option is there. Seed money is also there. So funds is another 80%, and 61% due to lack of leverage. Some startups are like this. Created something, no one wants. They just created. They just created something like if there is a thermometer, then also one startup is there. I'm not against that. There is a strip. If you are sticking that strip to the forehead of human body, it will show what is the temperature over there. Now it's a startup. Then also now we have an advanced option, screening, monitoring. Now everywhere, even a watchman is testing the temperature of doctor. Now who have the degree, and temperature will be noted by the watchman, security man. So everyone become doctors because of this corona testing and sanitizing. So created something no one wants. Also a problem to a startup page. We need to seriously into this option and validity of that startup, and how much we can bargain with that startup. That is also an interesting question. And out competed, which means and poor strategy and marketing. Even if it is a good product, good startup idea, it is not competent with the other options, other competitors like Uber, Ola. They are competing with them, and so many other. even if n number of classrooms are available, still Byju's app is leading. They know how to market their product. Their strategy is very clear. Did not pivot and constrained to location and legal. Some startups will end up in Kochi, and some startup will start in Kochi and end up in Kochi. They are not ready to move from there. So 61% is lack of leverage. The startup failure and startup ecosystem. Ecosystem includes market, culture, regulatory framework, education and training, supporting mechanism, funding finance, human capital workforce availability. So these are the total of startup ecosystem, similar to entrepreneurship ecosystem. And some products are like our question paper is for domestic market. I don't know whether it can be extended to an international market. Importance of foreign markets. They are still searching in the darkness for finding international markets for the product. Oxford University still, and they are providing assignment database. Student can access assignment from foreign university. Then they can learn from there, and they can design from there. They can submit they want. And culture, tolerance of risk is a major factor. Like India is considered to be they are not good in taking risks. That is the culture. According to studies, psychological studies, people are very scared of taking risks. Preference for self-employment. That is another option for this ecosystem, startup ecosystem. Some team, some individual, they can acquire self-employment to startup ecosystem. And entrepreneurship, celebration of innovation, that is also required in startup system. And pre-university education and training, university education, entrepreneur-specific training, that is also much for startup ecosystem. Support mechanism, mentors and advisors, professional services, incubators and accelerators, network entrepreneur peers. These all are required, because if it is an e-commerce or internet-based startup, we need to have a professional network support without team. If you can see the last month how much time this YONO SBI failed in providing access to the customer, and there are a number of cases reported. Even that app was not starting up. So we need to have a support from them. And funding finance, first initially they may fund, and next year we need to find another funding. And some angel investors also there. Angel investors, these are the people who are single investors. They are ready to take simple startups which have a very creative idea, expecting that with this one I can make more profit. So single investors and access to debt and human capital and workforce, management talent, technical talent. It's also a startup ecosystem support. And this startup ecosystem report is published today, and the top startup ecosystem were in Bangalore, Mumbai, and Delhi, and which are the best ecosystems in India. And government is going to start a separate wing for supporting startup ecosystem. And support mechanism, incubators, accelerators, and communities, and co-working places, and online head start, Bangalore startups, and government startup India, Karnataka government startup booster kit. In Kerala also they started startup booster kit, and free credit to cloud companies and software to investment up to 50 lakh. That is the target of Karnataka government. And culture and being fearless. share your ideas with the company and share your concept with them, share maximum flexibility of present maximum flexibility in your innovation or idea, and being shameless, sell the product. Some these investors have this feeling. Sorry, the inventors have this feeling like this is not a good startup. This will not be considered as a good startup. So being shameless is another factor, and being action oriented, two versus with your innovation or creativity. Being symbiotic, and don't set out change the world or boil the ocean with the dent in the universe. Make the first sale create the basic version of the product. This is the simple theory. Make the basic version of the product, like that temperature sticker. It is invented through a startup. It is difficult to handle a thermometer with a baby, a newborn baby. So just fix that sticker on forehead of that baby. It will show the disposable sticker. It will show how much temperature is over there. And now we have a thermal scanning mechanism. Not require any stickers for that. But initially, it was a good invention in the hospital. And cannula, all those type of all those ideas, all those small inventions will be that that should be your primary aim in starting a startup. Indian startup ecosystem is slightly different from global economics startup system, and funding startup India, stand up India policy, and talent. They are ready to take your talent. They are ready to take your, but you need to present it in a such a way that this have some good valid contribution, some innovation ideas, innovative ideas, great ideas to that. So vertical and tech focus ideas. We'll have a startup definition by DIPP. Startup means an entity incorporated registered in India not prior to 7 years. However, a biotechnology startup not prior to 10 years with the annual turnover not exceeding 25 crore in any preceding financial year, and working towards innovation development or or of improvement of products or process services if it is a scalable business model with a high potential employment generation or wealth creation, provided that such entity is not formed by splitting up or reconstruction of a business already in existence, provided also that an entity shall cease to be a startup in turnover for the previous financial year has exceeded 25 crore if it has completed 7 years, and for biotechnology startup it's 10 years from the date of incorporation. So this is the definition. And what is a startup as per definition? And companies incorporated registered in 2011 and beyond. Founding members should be of Indian origin. Company headquarters in India and outside with product development center large in India. And also property-backed technology product or technology platform or e-commerce or aggregate. According to this is IP backup technology, intellectual property backup technology product platform and e-commerce aggregator. It's a mixing of service to an app. In total, you can say e-commerce websites and e-commerce app. So it's total mixing of two services with a customer. So how important startups to the economy? That is also relevant because how it is going to leverage the economy. According to new data from US Census, without the jobs they create, yearly employment growth would be negative. So how important are more job business to job creation? What these numbers indicate that Robert Platt, Vice President of Research and Policy Consulting, Tangle suggests that large companies and startups have different attitudes towards innovation. Large companies invest in incremental technologies that have more control of risk and predictability. By contrast, startups invest in breakthrough innovation. That's the advantage of startups in the economy. It creates coming with a new idea, new innovation model and new concept. And in a stage, it creates jobs to the economy. So in a breakthrough innovation, only this breakthrough innovation will, will lead to a large business, lead to a good startup idea. So 5 key reasons for encouraging startups. One is innovation. Large companies often buy startup companies because of technology fundamentally in that they then integrate into their business and thus keep their competitive advantages. At the same time, they provide knowledge as well as spin-off and spin-out companies with startup environment, which wouldn't be possible without a well-functioning startup ecosystem. New jobs and economic growth. If the country wishes to encourage new employment in the long term, it is necessary for it to invest into segment of companies that create the most jobs in the long run, in 10 years or more. That's not approximate, but startup companies are ideal for an opportunity for employing and activating the generation of youth. Because it's a new window to the new generation, because they can come with the mixing of two existing models and mixing of two ideas, and options will be very endless. And third one is bringing new competitive dynamics into the economic system. Startup companies are the most dynamic economic organization of the market, since they provide additional dynamics and competitiveness to the economic system. This means that the economy stays healthy, vital, and diligent, while individual companies find it harder to fall asleep on their laurels. Promoting the knowledge-based research innovation, students and researchers to implement their ideas as a startup company. MCA student, BTech student, and MTech student, they in between they switch to one guy from IIT. He created a new method of generating electricity through solar panel, and the layer, if the layer is 2, it will create only +2 voltage, and if it is there is 3 in a different model, it can create +3 of ions in the same panel. So he in between he switched from this MTech to a startup, and he joined in a larger and another group of students, another solar energy startup, and he started working from there. So promoting the knowledge based on research, innovation system, students and researchers, their ideas can be transmitted as startup companies, bringing the values of proactivity into the society. Startup entrepreneurship changes the values of the society and brings a new mindset in line with the society based on knowledge and creativity. The population is starting to increasingly realize that they have responsibility for their work and career development. This is an extension. This is an extension of individual to a society, individual. And as long I want to share this with the 61% of failure. Also very risky that 61% of chances to fail in startup innovation. But among the 39%, we have an option to extend this innovation to a society. So India's startup landscape in 2016, 2020 is available now. It's an old data. So total tech startups are 1,750, and the new tech startups are 1,400 in the same year, and funding 3.8 to 4 billion in funding. And these startups will not be counted cannot be counted in dollars, because cryptocurrency and blockchain technology they are using for this one. And incubators and accelerators 140 plus, and mortality rate 18 to 22%, and technology focus 50 plus. And global startup ecosystem, it's also important to compare with India with the US and UK, Israel and China. And global innovation index 33.6, that is our score, and US 61.4. This includes all our IPA, and China is in 50, and 52. This data is based on 2016-17. So maybe it might be changed in the latest one. Total number of startups in 4,600 to 5,000, and time taken to set up a new business. It's very important in India. It's 15 days to 30 days. But in US and UK, it's 4 to 8, 4 to 6. If it is running smoothly, they can easily start up. So it shows the ease of business over there. And corporate tax is 34%, and there is 39%. In China, it is only 25%. And number of angel investors 1,800, and in US it is 3 lakh. That's a major difference. They are angel investors, individual person. Incubators 140%, in US it is 1,500, and unicorns, yeah, only 9. And Indian tech startup ecosystem and overview. So technology-driven products start by key countries, United States, in India 4,700, same. But they have an expectation like growth momentum in 2020, it will be 11,000. But I don't know whether this corona affected the system, and whether the momentum will decrease based on this. And Bangalore, Mumbai, they are expecting more from there. And today's report will reveal largely on this. And factors driving the startup ecosystem: ease of doing business, entrepreneurship focused education system, industry facilitation, increasing awareness. These are the 4 major factors driving the startup ecosystem. And central government action plans and state government action plans. State Kerala government is supporting largely on startup, and startup mission is also there, and funding agencies also working in Kerala. And central government launched an action plans for encouraging startups by giving them benefits such as self-certification, patent filing fee rebate, and tax exemption. Patent filing fee rebate is also available for startups. So this is a very supporting nature of the government, shows the supporting nature of the government, and entrepreneurship focused education system. Their college curriculum should include, there are new guidelines for that, and academic incubators. It's also there. Placement team support. IITians are started with IIT Lucknow supporting Karnataka for making their startups in all colleges and universities. And industry facilitation. Companies like Microsoft, Target provide accelerator programs for startups. They will give support to them. And entrepreneurship culture. Google providing opportunity and employees to pursue their ventures. Funding support, funding by various investors. 6 to 10% more startups have got funding. And increasing awareness. Media Buzz Award, Startups Award, US Story, that's also there. And NASSCOM Startup Awards and Startup Fest are also conducted in all over India. So if you have strong feeling, you have strong idea and concept, and if you have startup, you have an opportunity to present it in front of angel brokers or investors. So core technologies, just to show which are the area where high number of startups are successfully running in Indian terrain, like cloud, IoT, machine learning, printing, artificial intelligence, robotics. So this robotics includes all drone invention, drone ideas, 360-degree rotating drones and all, 360-degree locating drone, and self AI-based drones also. So startups solving India-centric problems, solving energy, and this artist on IoT solution. It was a startup, and Byju's app, K12 competition coaching, and improving health, MedPrime. These are the examples. MedPrime, access to healthcare, and digital payment, FT Cash, the mobile platform, cashless transaction, more than, and ESG and financial inclusion. That's what associated one. So everywhere, if we don't alternate capital source, then it's an online SMB lending platform. So everywhere, it's solving energy problem, quality education, health, making India cashless, financial easy loan. So challenges to and opportunities over there. Technology is the core focus of technology is the core focus of this startups and all. And although industry agnostic can focus more on FDFCI, incubators, corporate accelerators collaborate for co-innovation, co-product development. So are the opportunities also challenges with mismatch with expectations. It will not. So business ideas models are compared with on field of execution, increasing challenges for incubators and accelerators. It's not matching with the expectation. Limited time period for incubation, that is 3-4 months. That's not very challenging for the developers. And evaluating startup is a big challenge. That's another threat. And this is based on startup policy by state. And Karnataka government is leading the wave of India's startup ecosystem. Telangana is in the next race, and UP has given Mohammedan allocated 10K crore fund, and UP government is getting 100 business incubator with the help of IIM Lucknow. So when we reach a position startup and we are ready with our invention and idea, inside the minds of corporate venture capitalists, what are the things they are noticing or to get attracted with your invention? What are the things there? So for that, inside the minds of corporate venture capitalists, objectives and motivations of corporate venture capitalists, and source of capital, and dedicated funds and opportunities capital, approval process and timeline, post-investment support, exit potential. These are the minds of corporate venture capital. Objective is to motivations for CVCS. First one, objectives and motivations of CVCS, and it's based on some data, that is what are the points that attracted on CVC, corporate venture capitalists, and strategically aligned with the relevant and emerging companies. Listed financial return as a core objective increases the ability to be a thought leader in the category. So in top, strategically aligned with the relevant and emerging companies. Create something which is alignable with a larger company. And increase sales profits of the increment. That's also 24%. And largely they are on strategically aligned with the relevant and emerging companies. And we will see investment per year. These are the level they invest in 5 to 9 companies in India. And approval process of CVC investment. Give feedback of relevant departments into their diligence process. And designated investment committee of internal stakeholders. Present investment opportunities to senior leadership of approval. So corporate venture capitalist investment approval process is like this. Make investment decision independently unless take size of this over designated amount. Have the ability to make investment completely independent. So these are this percentage shows how the process of CVC investment. And post investment value add support by CVC, that make introductions to other relevant investors, provide support around distribution partnership, and provide additional insight into competition. Value added support by CVC. These are the support elements they use on CVC. And CVC deal process. First, they will cohort or call for application for challenges, and challenges they face, they will call for. Like they need an application for some education mechanism or any healthcare mechanism, anything. Then tie with the incubator and accelerator of that invention. And business plan application. As business plan, they will screen, and the technology assessment, what is the technology they use, and business evaluation, what is the how. So also includes the valuation of it, and presentation, an interview with the inventors, and commitment letter, and legal and financial technical. include contracts and financial settlement and technical effort they require, and milestone that to achieve. That will also they list it out. And valuation of startup include what is the flexibility in that startup, and term sheet is how much, what is the term required for this one, and equity structure and shareholder agreement, issue of it's a CVC deal process, bro. And major partners, corporate funding, you can approach Hindustan Petroleum, GAIL, Power Grid, ONGC. They will also give you a series of seed money for a series of Series A. And grant seed funding, seed B, angel, and starting up safe partners, Terry, Amazon Web Services, IBM, and some portfolio startups also there. Uh, Technique, Bird, Hypothesis, Tracks, Logic Ladder. These are the companies you can afford for portfolio startups. And coming to IP and startups, first of all, we have to estimate the creativity, the idea and innovation, how it is blended in your startup, and how it is going to be going to be attracted by the investor, and creating innovative mind, um, like one um, one there are n number of cases in zooming, like if your hand is moving towards that blade or zo, um, there are chances to cut the hand part over there. So some artificial intelligence associated mechanism is fixed with that speedy running blade, and if the hand is moving, getting close to that one, it will automatically stop. It's a simple invention, it's a simple idea, but its application is very. There are people with some damage to the fingers because of this so and all. And human error is always there, always happening. So many. You can see if you are visiting in a sawmill in your area, you can understand there are chances to, there are people who have some cutting over small finger or middle finger, or some it's there. Sawmill have this problem. So he invented this small AI based one. It uses some sensor. If your finger or hand is coming close to this blade, it will automatically stop. So creative, innovative mind. It will not happen in a day and night. It will happen. It will take more time. So you have to think free and assess the possibility, assess the advantages of it, assess the value of it, and estimate the creativity. How much um, um, how much it is new, how much novel it is, how much novel it's going to create to the industry or the society or to the community. Develop addition to existing products or e-products. That is also possible. It's lenient to in some corporate product like Byju's app. If we are giving an addition to that Byju's app, some advantages, additional pro packages to Byju's app, which will give you an audio text, or it will give you a package of notes, then it will be good. Fix a value that the customer will attract. It's purely a market strategy based one. And validate your creativity. Compare your creativity with the existing option. Like our thermometer strip with a thermal scanner. There are n number of options are in the market other than your sticker thermometer. Definitely, the investor will not opt for your creativity. It doesn't mean that your creativity is less, but there are options in the market which is leading or which is highly um, highly which is easy for the consumers, and it is so attractive also. Build strategies to reach investors. That is also important. How we can reach them, how we can reach them is it's a very important question. To reach them, there are government ways and uh, individual funding agencies meeting that is also available. Validate your creativity with IP profile. That is actually our point. How much creative, whether it is patentable, whether it is a novelty, whether it is non-obviousness, whether it is pure mixing of two technologies, whether it is have industrial application. Those elements are the validity or validation of your creativity. And as you know, patent, trademark, copyright, brand variety, design, geographic indication, trade secrets, so it's forms of IP, and you can support with the you will get support of this protection. It's just making a fence out of your innovation or invention or startup idea, and to protect. Largely, these people are startup companies are fixed on copyright, patent, and trademark. Very less to geographic indication. They don't have any chance because it's already existing with the community. So geographic indication doesn't have any. We cannot start up with geographic indication. Designs also have startups, and plant varieties, that's also very less. So these are the trademark options. And trademark, as previous presenter explained to you what is a mark, and I'm not getting deep into this trademark. And define it into device, brand, heading, label, ticket name, signature, word, letter, numeral shapes of goods, packaging. So if you are beginning with a startup, sometimes your name will get um, attracted. Like our question paper, when they started this question paper as a startup, that question paper was registered. You can search it in Google, question paper .com. You will get that about what is their business model, business idea, and all. So copying that idea, some other people also started some website like ECBcom. They were very particular about BCom. They created database of question papers with answers on ECBcom, and they will give support to BCom students project also. So if you have a business idea, first you have to register your trademark there and register it for before someone gets registered. So a combination and color of your logo, color of this thing, and later you can sell this also, this trademark along with your logo and the combination of color along with everything. You can, like a company, you can sell your startup also. A trademark is defined as meaning a mark which is capable of being represented graphically and distinguishing the goods or services produced on or provided by one enterprise from those of other enterprise. Just to identify your startup and to recognize you are different from others, and to know who all are behind this one. And these are the ways you can make some logo and slogans for your startup. And Pepsi, Disney, Google, Colgate. And choosing a trademark should be a generic name. It's carpet cleaning company. That should be the name that you can guess. And very, very distinctive and descriptive and suggestive and arbitrary, more distinctive, that is fanciful one, like our Kodak. and so you can differentiate it, and acts as a source indicator. Trademark shows as a source indicator. So in startup, you can clear that this is the source, this from this company we are creating. This is our startup, and provides quality assurance, exclusive right to use of trademark, and goodwill generator. This is also these all are your later updation. Later you can create a goodwill over there, and personal use, where you generate income by manufacturing goods or rendering services under that mark. Licensed brand to third party users in exchange for royalty, and bought and sold, that is also possible. Choose a strong mark like Kodak camera. So if you are a startup is in a brand name, you can use a very strong name along with something which is matching with your invention. And copyright, in largely it is grammatical work, but in startups, code, software code, and some design copy, that is also protected in this one. And copyright is in India, that Karavan sir explained to you, and royalty you can gain, you can retain ownership of in copyright. So software development agreement, if you have a different, if you have a particular source code for your app, that also you can do. So in patent also, it's a protection for invention. Utility patents also there. Utility patents are not patent in India. And exclusive rights and strong market position, and higher returns on, you will get higher returns on your patent, and increase in negotiating power, and positive image for your enterprise. If you have an enterprise, if you have a startup, that also is possible. And non-disclosure and patentability search, this is also covered in yesterday's class. I hope Jagdish sir will cover this patentability search and all. And then employment. So these are our patent part and copyright part and IP in startup. And I hope I have covered substantially on this. Now it's open to questions. Any questions you want to ask, please ask.
Hello, I request participants to kindly unmute and you can pose the question directly to the resource persons. Vijita, are there any questions in the chat box?
No, sir.
Sir, my name is Sanju. I am coming from a technology and a logistics background. So I have been running my own business in consulting for the last 10 years by registering a private limited company. And in the last 3 years, I am also working on a couple of startup ideas. It's not really startup, like doesn't come in the definition of a startup, but it's my own product idea on the logistics domain. And also I'm working on something on the stock market and publishing domains. So I'm looking for some kind of advice on a strategic side. Like my first product is about to launch next week globally, logistics application. So I'm considering your startup definition that you have been here, like should not be 10, not more than 7 years old, and the monetary requirements and that. So if I consider my product as a startup product, if I go for any other support from government or any other organization, so it doesn't come back because my company is finished.
Okay, I want to brief your question. It's like you want to get support from government uh, because you are going to launch your product the
Yeah.
next week. What are the ways you will get support? Okay,
Um, yeah. So so is
that's
there a possibility that I can create a new company for my one product alone and then offer it as a startup separately? Because my parent company is not anymore a startup because it's 10 years old. So
okay.
that's like how I can leverage the real startup
There
ecosystem.
is a hello. There are some disturbance from your side. Um, can you repeat the last sentence?
My question was like, looking for your advice on how I can leverage the startup ecosystem. Is there any possibility that I can create a new company for my first product and then that's a new company and then I'm still the company and then I can get into startup ecosystem and leverage all the benefits and the facilities provided. So is that possible?
Yes, that is possible, but you have to incubate for some time. And
Uh-huh.
if you are planning to make it in a government model, government supported one, then uh, you have to register is startupindia.government.in. I will show you that website now.
Okay. So like my primary question was something like this. Since I'm already running a company, which doesn't come in the preview of a startup because it's 10 years old. So is the
Okay,
law allowed? If the conditions allow me to create a new company as a startup for my product?
that that's best. You have to consult a lawyer because I don't know your background and
Shall I intervene? Hello?
yes.
Yeah, shall I intervene? Mr. Sanju, actually, I think it may not be possible for you to have an established company which is already 10 years old to be converted into a startup.
Yeah.
Right, so that may not be possible.
Yeah, that's right, sir. So my primary question was like, is there any possibility that I can
Is
create a
it
new
clear?
company, separate company?
No,
Yes.
see, yeah, you will have to set up a separate company, and you also need to have an innovative idea. So that's
Yes.
also one of the requirements for registering as a startup.
Yeah.
And then there are certain requirements with regards to the revenue that you generate in a year. So there is a limit.
Yeah.
So if you cross that, then also it may not be considered as a startup. So if you look at the patent law says that you can have an annual if you have an annual revenue of less than 25 crores,
Hmm.
and if you have come up with an innovative solution to an existing problem, so it cannot be a regular idea or a regular. For instance, if you
Yeah.
want to start a restaurant, so
Yeah.
that may not be considered as a startup. But if you want to start something as a Swiggy or Zomato, so that may still be considered to be an innovative idea.
Hmm.
And then you also have, if I recall correctly, in the patent law, you have only 5 years. So within the 5-year timeline only, once your company is registered, you can claim the startup benefits.
Okay.
So these are basically some of the requirements according to the patent law. But
Okay,
other
sir.
requirements, maybe you can refer to the Startup India scheme,
Yeah.
which he is showcasing over
Yeah.
here. Dr. Hansen is showcasing over here.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Dr. Hansen, there is a question in the chat box. So can you answer that?
Yes, sir. How to select a good trademark and what is essential information required for an application for registering a trademark? Good trademark purely on based on its consumer attraction, easy to remember, easy to recollect, easy to logo is also associated with that. And for registration of trademark, you need to approach a lawyer and they will help you out. Good trademark in the sense, like some people may prefer GoDaddy is a trademark. It's a website host. That is up to you. Something people can recollect, something people can remember for a long time, easily recollect from the memory. And also you need to take some effort to memorize that among the consumers. So essential information, it should be descriptive. You cannot register Apple as Apple as a trade. The description is important, and you cannot register smell, taste, and all as a, according to Indian Trademark Act. You cannot register smell, taste, and all as a trademark associated one. So this is what I understood. I hope I answered. Vikas Shukla, right? Okay. Can you just unmute and hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I hope I answered your question.
Yes, sir.
Registration of lawyers, and you can approach him. But with a good trademark, that you have to identify. That is your effort. You only knows which product I'm going to say. Which product.
Sir, it is basically based on a product only, or it can be based on the consumer, means what the consumer is gathering with.
See, it is based on that you what type of product you have, then or service you have, then based on that you have to design and you have to fix it.
So it is only based on a product, or it is also based on a consumer also, what the consumer is get.
See, my point is, should be the consumer can remember.
Okay, sir.
If it is a washing powder, what are the options you were getting? Ariel. Okay. It's also they learned, they taught us.
Okay.
Product is for this one. So that is also from your side. That should be there. That is your should be your concern. Airtel.
Okay, sir.
Then any you have any what is the product you are going to market or service you are going to market? Any clue? Then with some brand builders are there. Mudra is there. Mudra will help you. Mudra is an online trademark option, and they will brand your product for.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I'm not recommending Mudra. There are a number of brand building websites where you can search it and find out which one is good for your product.
Okay,
they
sir.
may ask some questions based on that. You can.
Thank you, sir.
I hope I answered your question.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Any questions, participants? I think it's over. I request Sri Lakshmi to deliver vote of thanks.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. Good afternoon to all. Dear Dr. Anson, sir, thank you so much for such an interesting and enlightening session on startup ecosystem and IPR. Sir, the session was really informative and we have gained so much from the session. So, on behalf of IUC IPRS family and the participants of the program, I extend our sincere gratitude to you, sir, for sharing your time and knowledge. Thank you, sir. And I also taking this opportunity to thank our coordinator, Professor Ambasi, sir, Director, Inter-University Center for IPR Studies, CUSAT, and the Joint Coordinator, Dr. I.G. Reddy, sir, Assistant Professor, IUC IPRS CUSAT, for organizing this 5-day FDP program on the technology management under Atal Academy FDP scheme at our center. Thank you, sir. And I also extend my gratitude to Ms. Vijita Rajan for supporting the coordinators in the whole program. Last but not the least, I also thank the participants for their active participation and time. Thank you.
Thank you. So we break for the next session, that is on examination. Dr. Hansen, would you like to add something?
No, no, no. No, sir.
Yeah,
Thank
so
you. Just thank you.
okay. If you have any questions or concerns regarding today's examination,